Lovely people, in today's video I'm going to show you how you make a last minute Christmas gift using your stockpile items. This was actually a bucket from the Dollar Tree. I used my Cricut to put the words on the bucket. You don't have to do that if you don't have a Cricut, but the dial, the swab, the hand soap I already had in my stockpile. That was an Ibotta item. Don't you remember that was an Ibotta rebate, the hand-in-hand soap? That's a little prayer box. I actually picked that up from the Dollar Tree. So that's a really cute item. The two little notebooks was $1 from the Dollar Tree. You can pull the Dollar Tree stickers off. They don't have to know you got it from the Dollar Tree, okay? But even if you don't want to add items from the Dollar Tree, you probably have these items anyway. This was the gift tags that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So I included that as well in the video so you can see that. You just want to make the item look special. I fluffed it up with tissue paper is up underneath it, holding it up, and the little manicure set and the socks I got from the Dollar Tree. The bag, I got the clear bag from the Dollar Tree, and then here is a man basket example. The axe items I already had. I got the coffee cup from the Dollar Tree and the little thermal socks, the candy as well. This is Nivea body wash in a basket for a female, and I packaged it just to make it look super cute for someone, make them feel special, put them a bow on there, guys. Merry Christmas, and I hope this helps you guys. See you later. Bye-bye.